Well, the All Ordinaries went up 1%, but it's still down 8.5% for the month of May so far. Today saw the iron ore miners all go up, along with Woodside and other resources stocks, but it's not because they can bring in foreign workers now, which is old news, albeit new politics. It's because of a slight improvement in sentiment about Europe, because the Greek opinion polls suggest the pro-austerity, pro-euro parties are gaining ground. Banks also went up, but the big retailers fell. There was no sign of improved sentiment on the Athens Stock Exchange on Friday, however. And by the way, the Australian average dividend yield has gone above the Aussie government bond yield, which is a very rare event. It's only occurred 3% of the time. It could mean shares are cheap, or it could mean they're expensive because the economy is stuffed. At least that's what the bond market is saying. Bit of a meaningless graph, I suppose, but it's interesting. The Australian dollar also went up today by about a cent compared to this time on Friday, but it's still a fair way short of parity. It's now down 5% so far this month. Commodities were generally higher over the weekend, but the coal price has fallen 5.5% in a week because of talk about Chinese importers defaulting on their shipments from Indonesia. No defaults have been reported by Australian exporters, but it has shaken up the spot market. And on the subject of iron ore and workers, here's a chart of total passengers at Karratha Airport in WA, which is near the Pilbara. It's one of the places they're flying in and out of. After not moving for decades, passenger traffic there has tripled since 2006. And that's finance.